What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get a live wallpaper as your home screen for your Galaxy S10. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this thing set up. So I've got my lock screen turned on. If you don't have your lock screen turned on, go into your settings, select lock screen, screen lock type, and set up a lock screen for your phone. But once you're there, you'll want to make sure we go into the gallery as the first step to getting our live wallpaper. Go into the gallery and you will scroll down your photos and you'll see this menu here pop up. You've got videos, favorites, locations, and suggested. We're going to select videos because we're going to use one of the videos in our phone. Scroll and find whichever video you like. I'm going to select that one. You'll notice that this video is a moving wallpaper. If I play video, you can actually see that it's a video, a moving video. It is landscape, right? But what's awesome is if you hit the settings icon at the top, I'll do that again for you guys. Hit that settings button and then click set as wallpaper. It's gonna make that video portrait mode to fit your phone. And so we're gonna hit set as wallpaper. Once we do that, there we go, wallpaper is now applied to the lock screen. I'm gonna lock the phone, unlock the phone, and you'll see that moving video is now part of my lock screen. That's all there is to it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, tips and tricks for the Galaxy S10. You guys have a great day.